As sports cars go, the 1963 Chevrolet Corvette that's in the Gateway collection is a tremendous example. It's finished in its original colors of saddle tan with tan leather interior. Presents beautifully, it's had a full restoration, and of course this is the most iconic body style on any Corvette, being the split window. Not only was this the first year of a Corvette Coupe, this is actually the only year of that split window variant Coupe. What most people don't realize is that the reason why this is the only year of the split window is because they had to get rid of the design, both for safety and for manufacturing purposes. So by 1964, it was gone. Fitted with its original 327 cubic inch engine fitted to its 4-speed manual transmission, this example is exactly the way you would want it delivered. Perfect spec. Notably, like many of the cars in the Gateway collection that we're offering in Monterey, this is being offered without reserve and will sell for the highest bidder. The team at Broad Arrow is excited to welcome all of you to our upcoming auction this August 17th and 18th at the Monterey Jet Center in Monterey, California.